Hello friends, today I am sharing the recipe of paneer pakora that I have made in microwave. So welcome to my channel Bon Fiesta, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest updates. So firstly, in a container, take half cup of besan, that is also known as gram flour. To this gram flour add salt as per your taste. Then add half teaspoon of garam masala powder and half teaspoon of red chili powder in it. Now start mixing all the ingredients. To this add water. I am adding 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of water in it gradually adding water and mixing it to form a thick slurry, or you can say a thick mixture. I am using a hand whisker to beat it well so that all the elements, all the ingredients in this combines well. To this I am adding a pinch of baking soda, also called as meetha soda, that is easily available at home. So I am adding little bit of it. Remember to keep your mixture not too thick and not too runny also, otherwise it will not coat properly on the cheese. At last I am adding chopped coriander leaves on it. My mixture is ready. Now keeping it aside for 5 minutes. Here I have 200 grams of cottage cheese. I have washed it well and now I am cutting it into slices. I am taking little bigger slices. Now to these slices I am adding some of the peri peri powder, or you can add chaat masala powder, or you can even ignore this step. This is completely optional. So now take the crusty plate and grease it with olive oil or any other rice bran oil or refined oil. So greasing it with little bit of oil on it, and then coating the cheese cubes, the cheese slices, with the besan mixture that we have made, and then put it on crusty table. Repeating the same process with all the slices and placing them on the crusty table. Now brush or spray a little bit of oil on it at all the sides. I am just gently touching with little oil, not adding a lot of it. They are almost done. So it's almost completed. Everything is done. So I am keeping a high rack and placing the crusty table on it. Microwave I am using is Samsung Smart Microwave Oven. They have all the auto cook menus. So I am choosing paneer pakora option in the Indian slim fry mode. So the code is 18. Closing the microwave and selecting slim fry option. One is selected. Now slowly I am rotating this to set on 18. 18 is selected, and now I will start it. The complete time it will take will be approximately 17 minutes. After 12 minutes it will beep once again. So at this time we have to take out this crusty plate and flip over all the cheese, all the pakoras. As you can see, they are already cooked, have a nice color. They are all evenly cooked with very less oil in it. So I am flipping it all and placing this crusty table once again in microwave, closing the oven and start it once again. Start button. After 5 minutes, you can see they are all evenly cooked, nice texture, nice color and very good aroma. So they are ready to be served. Now it's time for plating. You can enjoy this paneer pakoras with green chutney and sauce, and you can eat them guilt free since they are 95% less oil food. And so enjoy these oil free paneer pakoras with your family in this monsoon. Stay safe, stay healthy and enjoy the fiesta. Thanks for watching the video and please subscribe for the latest updates.